today we're gonna do some quick crafting because I don't have a lot of space between my computer area and the bag. And this is a backlight that I've been using since I've been living in the UK. And as you can see, the bottom, the foot area, it's a waste of space. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to get rid of this bottom space here and make it more functional so I have a little bit more room in that back area. I have gathered a couple of supplies here today. First off, I got a pot. It's plastic. I love the color. It matches my furniture, so here's one pot. And to keep the stem of that tree stable, I did get some foamies, the floral foams. And the reason why I went small is I just wanted to test it out to see if this will hold if I stack it all four up together. And then lastly, one thing that I did get is weights because I don't want that to tip over. So I got myself a 5-pound decorative stones or rocks. So let's get to it. So I specifically bought this pot because of these little holes down here. I can pop them out and hopefully if everything goes ideally, the wiring for that tree can go through that and then be hidden and away without making it so ugly in the back.
Yeah, I'm locked in. She locked me in here. So it's in here? Yeah, and I had an EMF 10. Did an EMF 10? Yeah, it was all the way up there. Like, she was like, I'm here.
I think that's close enough. 2 out of 2, almost dead to the center. I'll take that.
Really appreciate you. Oh, I don't like this. I'm gonna just hang up here next to the toilet where I belong.
The light is back up, it's lit, and the best part is it's now in the pot. So definitely save some space in the back of my computer area. Beautiful. I love the space now.